The coyote is an interesting animal and one that is perfectly adapted to survive among men. Now, this figure is one that I'm not a huge fan of, but we will get into that. Sorry, Safari LTD. I suppose there has to be at least one that maybe isn't your absolute favorite. Paint job. So, dear viewers, I am not a fan of the paint job. And I'm hiding the face for a second because I actually like the face. I just don't think this animal is painted right. Something is just off. I can't put a finger on it. Maybe it's that bluish gray on it. I don't know. But this figure scores an 8 out of 10. To be fair, there are no blemishes in the paint job though. But again, it scores an 8 out of 10 for paint job. Sculpt. This figure appears to be scoping out his or her environment. It looks as if it's alert and paying attention. Maybe it heard a prey species or a possible competitor. Sculpt gets a 10 out of 10 from me. The overall sculpt, realism. The overall sculpt gives this figure a sense of realism. However, the colors used in the paint job of this animal ruins the animal for me. I'm not going to give it my usual 10 out of 10. It scores a 9 out of 10 from me today. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.